Within Clever, if you go to Adobe Express, you can find some ready-to-use guided activities that you can easily share with your students. Sometimes Adobe moves things around, so if you can't find it, you can search at the top. I think you can also look in the Learn tab for guided activities. Here we go, guided activities. But sometimes on the home screen, you can also find a section here. So here we go, guided activities for every subject. If I go to view all, I can find them in here. Looks like I can scroll through here, and these are pretty fun. Like there's videos and like infographics and different things you can make. And so once I select it, it's a guided activity because it has the instructions right here for your students on the right side panel. There's a video that they can watch, and then they can scroll through and read. Sometimes there's like a next button to go to the next instructions. When they watch the video, you can have it pop out so you can move it around the screen. Here we go. When I grab it from the top, it lets me move it, so I can, have it playing while I do things here. You could also make it full screen, and then here to minimize, right? And for some of the videos, you can add captions. So for this one, when I clicked on that button, it looks like captions are available in Spanish. So I could do that as well. And then I would just read through and do what it tells me and personalize this. So for this one particularly, it's pretty cool. You can make yourself like an action figure or a doll, and in order to make something that looks like this, you can see what their prompt was. So it kind of shows you a little bit about AI prompting. And anyway, to share this activity with your students, all you have to do is copy the link, and you can share that in Google Classroom and they'll have their own copy.